So welcome guys to Rising Coders era. This is lecture number 3.3, and in this lecture we are going to know what is the set data type, union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, methods like add, reboot, discard, update. Okay. So before going to this, you know what is the data type, set data type. So there are different types of sets. Suppose here is the A set, this is B set, and if I talk about A union B, so it is going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And A intersection B, that means this is going to be the A intersection B. So all the points we are going to know inside this lecture, and we are going to calculate all these you can see union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference using the Python program. Okay, so let's begin. So before going to this lecture, what we are going to cover in this lecture, so this is the add function, method, remove, discard, update, and many more things like this. These are also called as set operations. Okay, now first of all, what is the set data type? Set data type is nothing but the collection of unique and unordered elements. Now what is the unique? Unique is the value which is going to come only once. Okay, and they may be unordered. Now what is unordered and what is unique, we are going to know while the Python program. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is just first creating a set. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to create a set of numbers. So how we can create? So write set is equal to, inside curly brackets I'm going to take some numbers like 1, 5, 2, 3, 4, 4, and one more, that is going to be 5. Now this is a set, and if I want to print, then I can take print and inside the set. Okay, now let's see the output. Okay, so what you can see inside this, that the numbers are not repeated, they are unique and they are unordered. These are not unordered, these are in order. Now when I'm going to go with the string, then you can find out when I'm going to write the string, it is going to be unordered every time, it is going to be at the random. So for this, what I'm going to do, just I'm going to write string is equal to Rising Coders era, and at the bottom what I'm going to do, we want to go with the character, so we will get this character from the string, and set, which is the data type which we are going to use, and this is going to be string. Okay, so at the bottom I'm just going to print the character set. Okay, now let's see what does it going to show. Something wrong. Set string. So instead of writing a set, what we are going to do, take it 1, and this also I'm going to take set 1, and let's see now what does it show. Okay, so you can see this is going to be 5, and okay, I will make another terminal for this, so this will not be more complicated. So you can see this is in order, the numbers are in order, but you can see the characters, they are not in order. Now if I execute it again, so you can see the sequence has been changed, so all time it is going to be changed and it is going to be unordered. So here you can see it is unordered elements. So we completed this. So explanation, set using, so to write the set we are going to use the curly braces. We have included several integers within the set. Okay, so it is just explanation of the above code. Says eliminate duplication value. Okay, so it is going to eliminate these duplicated values. Now here you can see there are 2 duplicate values, 4, 4, and here just one value is going to be taken, so it is not going to duplicate any value. Okay, it may be thrice, it may be 4 times, so it is going to just print you 1 time only. Okay, set are unordered, meaning the elements are not stored in any specific order, as we see inside this character. You can see here they are not in the order. Okay, all time when you are going to execute, it is going to be generated randomly. You can access the we can access them by indexing. As you know what is the indexing, before this lecture we go with the indexing and operations on set. Okay, so there are different types of operations which we are going to do right now, that is adding elements, removing elements, checking for membership. Set operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric. So adding elements is nothing but we are going to add some elements in the set. So we are going to create one set, and the name of this set is going to be my set, my underscore set, and my underscore set is equal to, just we are going to take first of all set, and the set is going to be empty here, and at the bottom what I'm going to do here, just I'm going to add something. So for the add my underscore set, dot operator. Dot is also called as operator. We are going to know this in upcoming lectures. And then 1, I have added the 1. Similarly, I am going to add one more element. So here we are going to add 2. Okay. Now to see to display this, just what I'm going to do, just print, and inside the print I'm going to write my underscore set. Okay. Now let's execute this code. So you can see 1 and 2 is been added. Okay, 1 and 2 is been added. Now if I want to add multiple elements to this set, so we are going to use the update command, update method. So what I'm going to do here is my underscore set dot, I'm going to write update. Now when you use update, you are going to take the circular brackets, and inside circular bracket we are going to take the square bracket, and inside square we can add multiple numbers here like 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can give many more numbers like your choice. Okay, so now when we execute, you can see here, okay, so the duplicate values are being removed and just single value. So here you can see it is unordered. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 10, 1, 2, 3 and 10 is available, 1 and 2 which has been duplicated, it is going to remove that, and that's it. So how we can remove elements? So first of all, I am going to create one more set, my set, and we will give it name as 1, and this will have some values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very simple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then at the bottom what we are going to do, okay, so at the bottom we are going to do here remove. So remove method is going to be used, so it's very simple. So just similar like add, you are going to write this dot remove, and the element which has been there in the above set. Okay, so here 1 you have to write, and just at the bottom we are going to print my set, my underscore set 1. Okay, save it. Now if executed, you can see the 3 is not available in that set. Okay, 3 is not available. So similarly as remove, you can use the discard also, discard method also. So what I'm going to do here is my underscore set 1 dot discard. Okay, discard, and I want to discard. Discard is similar like delete. Okay, you are going to remove. So we are going to remove 4. So you can see 1, 2 and 5 is been available there. Okay, then next thing we are going to know what is the operators used in sets. Okay, so we completed this. You can get the notes from the description. And okay, so operator used in sets. Okay, you can get the notes from comment section, not in the description. Okay, so this is an union operator. Operator is nothing but used to combine two sets. Okay, we are going to know all the operators, we are going to use it, then only you are going to get all this theoretical part. Okay, used to combine two sets, we are going to create two sets and we are going to combine it and create a new set that is going to contain all the unique elements from both these sets. Okay, when we are going to apply formula, you are going to know what is the union. Intersection is similar like that, but it is different, that which just contains elements that are common to two sets. Okay, and create a new set that contains. Okay, we are going to know it directly inside the code. So here we are going to create the two sets A and B. So first of all, let's create the sets. So I'm going to write creating sets. So what is going to be the set? We are going to take one set as A, and the set is going to contain numbers 1, 2 and 3. The next set is going to contain the numbers 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are going to perform an union operation. And what does the union operation says here? Let's see. Combining two sets to create a new sets, unique elements. Just focus on this word, unique elements. I have underlined here, from both the sets. So how we can do this? So as we know, the operator we are going to use here is the OR operator. Okay, OR. Okay, it's like OR, and it's called as, this operator is called as, you can see here, union operator. Okay, so we are going to use union operator. So what I am going to write here, just simply I am going to write here one comment. So we are making the union, so just union, and for union what we are going to write, we are going to write union set, union set, and this is going to be is equal to, so we want the set, So just okay, or instead of writing this, what we can do, just write directly print and insert this union and then comma, and what is the operator used here? A union operator, which is like this straight line, and then B. Okay, so now when we execute, it is going to show me what is the union means it is going to take only one time all the things from bracket number A and bracket number E. The common theme is also been be used only once. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 is inside the union. Now after union, we are going to go with the next point, that is going to be intersection. Now what does the intersection going to work? Now when we are going to go with the intersection, let's see some theoretical part. Creating a new set containing elements that are common to both sets. Okay, that will be common to both sets. Okay, so they are going to be common to both sets. So what I'm going to write, print, and what is the operator for union? So you can see this is the operator, this is for difference, and operator. Okay, it's like and it is called as intersection. You can see what's this operator called as, it's called as intersection operation, operator. So what we are going to write inside this intersection, and in intersection A and B. Okay, A and B. Okay, so we can see right now just 3 is been printed. Intersection B means we are going to remove all the elements, and the common element inside both the braces, both the sets, the common element is only just going to be print here. After intersection, we are going to go to the difference. Now what does the difference show, and what is the operator used for this? So we are using this minus sign. This is going to be difference operator, creating a new set with elements that are in first set but not in the second set. Okay, so let's see. So just I'm going to write print, and this is going to be difference and difference comma A minus B. Okay, now when we are going to print this difference A minus B, where is it? You can see 3 was the common, that was for the intersection. And when I write the difference, okay, we don't save it. You can see this dot, and when we are going to save it, the dot is going to be removed. Now what is the difference? What is the display? What is the output? So it is 1 and 2. So what the thing is going to happen? So we want to when I'm going to minus A from B, the elements which are present in B, okay, they are not being displayed. Only just the elements which are in A, and the elements which are in A, they must not be inside the B set. Okay, so that elements are going to print. So it is going to just print 1 and 2. Now what if we do B minus A? So B minus A, so it is not going to display 3 because 3 is present in A. So it is going to display the 4 and 5. So let's see, when I'm going to go with B minus A, and let's see. So it should display 4 comma 5, and yes, it's showing 4 comma 5. All about the difference. Now the last point is our symmetry difference. Symmetric difference. This is our last point. So let's see symmetric difference, and this is like this arrow you can use for this. This is called a symmetric difference operator, creating a new set with elements that are either of these sets but not in both. Okay, so the common element is going to be removed. In short, I would like to explain, the common element is going to be removed from this. So just I'm going to write print, and inside this symmetric difference ENCE, and comma A, and this arrow, and B. Okay, so when we executed, as we know, 3 is common in the both of the sets. Okay, where we created the set. Okay, so 3 is common in both of the sets. So it is going to remove, and it is going to print all the values which are not inside which are not common inside both of the sets. Okay, fine with this, and this is all about this lecture. And if you want the notes, you can get it from the comment section, and I will provide it in the description. Okay, so this was all about this lecture. We go with the union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. We created the methods like add, remove, discard, update on this set. We perform these operations, collection of unique orders. So we go with the numbers, the strings. We find out that unordered and uniqueness, insert them. We use the curly braces, adding, removing, union, intersection, and these operators like this, add, minus, and okay. So these are also named as this. So everything is present inside the notes. You can get it and practice with me. So thank you guys for watching this lecture.